Well, the effect of the service was not done by us. It was done by the code bailiff. And that's where the second, third, and fifth defendants who claim to be leaders of ADC, national leaders of ADC, carry on their businesses. So it's naturally that we serve them where we know too well they carry on their daily business as the purported leaders of ADC. Yes, the court has done the right thing by asking us to serve them personally. We shall actually take the necessary process to serve them. And that may be, if they are very invasive and it appears difficult to serve them, we know how to get them by substituted service.
Yeah, the plaintiff informed the court that he had served all the defendants, and it was brought to the court's attention. One, there was no record of service in the court file, and two, it was brought to the attention of the court that it was only the first defendant that was served. And in the face of the fact that there was no any order of court for substituted service on the second, third, and fifth defendant through the first defendant, the plaintiff could have validly served the second, third, and fifth defendant through the first defendant. And the court agreed with our submission and stated clearly that the plaintiff must serve the second, third, and fifth defendant personally, because that is the law. You need to serve personally. In the absence of court order allowing substituted service, you must serve personally. That is where we are. So in view of that, the court had to adjourn the matter to 30th of this month to enable the plaintiff to effect personal service on the defendants mentioned.
No, but I help below. Go say you catch some Boko Haram.